If you haven't noticed already, there is a real sense of energy and dynamism in the room.
An important role to play working together for the Welsh economy, and this conference, I believe, is a good example of the private and public sector working together to achieve this goal.